Hello beautiful people. In this video I will talk about Google Analytics for custom event, and I will track a custom event like view cart. So let me show on my screen. So you already set up Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager on this website. Now I'm going to the shop page and click this product, and now we can track this product, price, currency, but we did not track add to cart button. I'm going to the preview on Google Tag Manager, connect. So Google Tag Assistant successfully connected. Now I'm going to the shop page, and we will see on here we are now view item list, and on the data layer, and we will see lot of data on there, all the product from our view list. This one, now I'm going to single product like this one, basic product layout with icon area. Now we can see view item on here, basic product layout with icon area, this one, this product, and this product price we will track like this. And these are impression, and this item for impression another GA4 Sigma wise, and this one for GA3 or Universal Analytics. So these are view event item. Now I'm going to click add to cart button. So here is on the add event. So here is the add to cart event. You can see these are add to cart event, and here is the all information from add to cart. This product I add to cart from category, price, product ID, and on the bottom impression, and we can track this product. Now I'm clicking view cart button. So now I clicking view cart button. So this is our point, how many people clicking view cart button. Now we can track this. I'm going to the tag manager, and here is view cart, this one, and here is variable. You can see the event is view cart, and here is container ID. So when I click view cart button, you can see here is a single event, custom event. Here is a custom event view cart. So now I'm tracking this view cart button. So now I'm copy this view cart and going to tag manager. I'm creating a tag, new tag. Here is view cart button click. Going to create a tag configuration, Google Analytics for event. Now I'm selecting the our GA4 base tag. I'm put on here event name view cart button click. Now I add some parameter on here. I put only 2 parameter. Now I put 2 parameter on here, button click, button text, first one, and second one is button click, and must have here is underscore, and we did not use any capital word. So right now I'm putting two event parameter, button click and button text. So how we can get button click and button text? And I'm going to the preview, and here is the button click, which button I click, link click. Here is the view cart button, link text is view cart, and here is the button class. So we don't track button, we are now clicking view text. Click text is our view text, that's why I'm button text mean click text. So I select click text and button click or button URL, not click, button URL. I selecting click URL or page URL. So now I'm selecting click URL. So I put event name is view cart button click, and we can put some parameter for this event, button text and button URL, and I put the click text. I'm going to the preview. Here is the I'm going to the link text. Here is data layer, link text variable, and here is click URL and click text. So click URL here is view cart, and click text, click URL on here cart. Now I'm going to selecting button URL, click URL, and button text, click text. Now I'm going to the trigger on here. I'm creating a custom trigger only for view card. I'm going to view card trigger. I'm selecting a trigger. Now I'm selecting all elements. Here is some click. We can track like this: click text, content, or equal. We select equal because of view card button, not another, and selecting again. So click text equal view card. And I'm again click add to cart. Then we will see like this view card, and we need to use same to same view card text on here. I copy this view card. You can see. Now I'm go to the tag manager. I put this name on here. So now when it's work, view card button tag work when click text equal view card. Otherwise this tag not working. Now I'm clicking the save, again save, then submit. Because of this tag are not working, button click view card button click, publish it. Now I'm going to the preview workspace. I'm clicking the preview button, and now we are connected. Here is our another tag button click. These are not fired right now. I'm going to the view card. Here is another jacket, and I'm going to a jacket product on here. You can see this tag are not working. When I click add to cart button, but this tag is not working, but Google Analytics base code is working, 4 times fired. Now I'm going to another product from their impression. Sorry, this product have not any impression product. And I'm again going to the shop page. I'm going to the accessories for belt. Again I click this cart, add to cart, but you can see this tag are not working. So when it's working, when I click view cart, then it's working. So I click view cart, and you can see view card is tag fired. And when it's fired, you can see click text view card event GTM click. No worry about that. View card button click, and we already successfully send Google Analytics view card button on here. You can see view card button click, and Google Tag Manager already hit Google Universe Google Analytics 4. Here is event name, event parameter, event. You can see event parameter is we select button text and button URL. You can see even button text and button click are already working. Now I'm going to the analytics or real time. Here's the real time data. I refresh this page. So now I am on the real time overview on there. Right now I'm visiting this site, and I visit this type of page on here. You can see jacket product, then this product, then accessories product. Then so finally I click view card button. So when I put on here, Google Tag Manager already hit this, and I'm going to the analytics, and here is you can see view card button clicks 1 time fired. These event are from Google Tag Manager. You can see these are actually custom event, and you can see these are already working, and button text, button URL. When I go to the button text, you can see view cart button, and where is the button URL? You can see the button URL is this cart page. They are going to the cart page, and here is another session ID. There is tag this session ID, ignore refer, and no worry about that. So we are successfully track view cart button click and hit the Google Analytics 4 through Google Tag Manager. So hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to like and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. And I promise you, you will never be disappointed. Bye bye.